Hey guys, today I have something really big, something really special to show you guys. So you've probably seen this photo of Akshay with all of these boxes, right? Now a lot of you people have been trying to guess what's inside. Some of you think these are laptops, some sort of a giveaway. Some of you think these are pizza boxes, B-phone, even Gavin Belson's weird box. Yeah, some of the replies, some of the guesses have been pretty funny. Well, this is something we have been working on for an year now, and we wanted to launch this earlier, but then 2020 happened, which was but this is 2021. It's a fresh new year, and I think the timing is just perfect. So let's do something amazing this year. Well, let's not waste any more time. Let's unbox.
Hey, I want to join in too because I've been really excited about this.
This. Okay, let's unbox this together. So today we are launching our very own merchandise, the Signature Edition, and this, the Beebom Signature Edition box.
Now 10 of you guys can win this awesome box, and I'll tell you all about that at the end of the video, so stick around till the end. Anyway, what's inside the box?
Okay, so in the box there's this nice minimal looking Beebom notebook in here and a couple of very cool Beebom stickers. I think you might have seen these stickers on laptops in some of our videos. So yeah, this is pretty cool.
Now coming to the merchandise, like Rupesh said, we have been working on this for a long time, and we've partnered with Soul Store for this because we have personally bought t-shirts from Soul Store and they've always been really good.
Now let us show you the cool t-shirts that we have designed, and I think you're gonna love them. If you're into tech, you're gonna love them. If you're not into tech, you're gonna love them. If you're into t-shirts, you're gonna love them. And even if you're not into t-shirts, you're still gonna love them because they are super duper awesome. So let's kick things off with the most awesome t-shirt. This one, this is for the Beebom fans, the Beebom Signature t-shirt. It's black, it's super classy, and the new Beebom Signature looks awesome. See, if you're a Beebom subscriber, you should really get this, and I want to promise you this: if I come across anyone wearing this anywhere, I'll come and greet you and force you to get a selfie with me. So Beebom squad, you should get this. Okay, so the next one is pretty exciting. I mean, if there's one thing that we all love, it is dark mode. We all love dark mode in apps, UIs, and we have been wanting dark mode everywhere, and now it's on a t-shirt. Well, this is a t-shirt, and this t-shirt looks amazing. It does not matter whether you're a guy, a girl, this t-shirt looks cool on every single person, even Akshay, so it'll probably look awesome on you.
Moving on to the next one, which is my personal favorite. I like to call it the Retro Gamer t-shirt. This one right here, I like it. Look, I miss playing Mario and old school games, and this heart is straight from those games, and there's even a gamepad here that looks super cool. I mean, I love how minimal this t-shirt is, and I think this is perfect for any gamer, a casual gamer or a full-blown pro gamer. Gaming is awesome, but you know what? YouTube is love. This is our Notification Squad t-shirt, and this is for all those people who comment first on our videos. I mean, a lot of you guys have probably commented first before even watching this video, and we love all you people. This t-shirt is for you. Our bell icon hitting, every video watching, first commenting, Notification Squad.
So these are the 4 t-shirts we are launching, and I think these t-shirts look fantastic. They're available in all sizes: XS, S, M, L, XL and XXL. So there's an option for everyone, no matter which size you wear, and we have been trying these t-shirts for a while now, and they're super comfortable and awesome.
All of the t-shirts are available to buy right now, and the links to all of them are in the description down below.
Now this is the first time we are launching a merchandise, so they have very limited stocks, so make sure to go ahead and buy right away.
Now coming to the Beebom Signature Edition box. First up, let me just clarify, you don't get this box when you buy one of the t-shirts from Soul Store. So how do you win one? Well, it's simple. From all the people who buy our t-shirts in the first 24 hours, we will pick 10 people at random and send them one of these special Signature Edition boxes. I think this box is awesome and you are going to love it.
So what are you waiting for? Like I said, we have limited stocks. So go to the links below and get one of these really cool t-shirts, or get all of them. I'd suggest to get all of them. Also comment down below your favorite t-shirt of the lot. And yeah, we will be launching more merchandise, more t-shirts soon. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for all the support, and yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.